Hello, so it's that time again, the new prompt for the Woolly Steff Art Club, and the theme this time is birds. So what I've decided to do, I got a new stamp from Woodware that I absolutely love, so I thought I've got to use this, and it's this one with a dove in it, and it's actually called World Peace. And what we wouldn't give for a bit of that at the moment. So I'm going to use this stamp, and I'll show you what I've done so far is to stamp it down, and I've cut it down to the right size, and as I stamped it I used the VersaFine Onyx Black, or Black Onyx, whichever way it is, Onyx Black, and then I use my clear embossing powder just to give it a bit of gloss. So I'm going to use Spice Marmalade in the Distress Oxide. I'm also going to use Crushed Olive and Mustard Seed. So I'm just going to do quite a rugged gold outline around the side, and I use this Edding pen. So I'm just going to go around the outside, just a very rugged one. I don't want it to be too perfect. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to do it so that you can see what I'm doing, but you probably know anyway. So I'll just go right round. There we go. So that's all outlined in the gold. And then I'm going to pop it into my page and stick a few gems on or something. I'll have a hunt around, see what I can find. Okay, so this is my completed page. I do apologise, my battery ran out when I was doing the last bit, so I don't really know where I got up to. So hopefully it'll all come out in the editing. But this is my completed page, and we've got the dove there, and it's a long time since I've been to Sunday school, but I think it was the dove, was it, that brought the olive branch back. So I just put a little bit of greenery there and just hope for a bit more peace, basically. But that's just my wish. I mean, it's not, you know, there's nothing I can do to change anything, but there you have it. That would be my wish for everybody. World peace and a beautiful dove. Okay, I hope you can see that okay. I don't want to zoom in too much because I'm actually holding the camera this time, so we're just rushing to get out. We're going to Wales for the day, so I wanted to get this up before we left. So there we are. That's my page, and if you have a look, I'll put the hashtag in, and if you click on the hashtag it should take you to everybody else's pages that they've done for the Woolly Steff Art Club. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much for watching. I'll have to put it down while I wave. Bye bye.